Government ya Uganda, ekwataniise n'eya China n'obushagi ky'okuruga omu kitongole kya Food and Agriculture Organization bakwataniise hamwe okutunguura omutindo gw'amatungo omu ihanga ahansi ya project ya FAO China South Cooperation.
Here we received a batch of goats from China. It is a stabilized breed called the Jiangsu big ear goat. That was developed by crossing a Chinese Jian goat with the Nubian goat. This breed has attained stability and it is a very fast growing breed variety for meat.
This project is one of the longest running and the most successful project under the FAO China South Cooperation Program. It has been implemented since 2012 and we're here to witness the implementation of the project, document the good lessons and the results achieved at this program, and also discuss the next steps.
Embuzi mwende z'okukoreraho kucondoza nizo zareeserwa mu Uganda omwaka oguhwire kandi omukaga hari ezi zikareetwa aha faamu ya government ya Mbarara Stock Farm.
Within our conditions in the country, we are still studying them. We want to look at how they grow under various nutritional conditions. We want to see if we stabilized this animal, how does it resist the diseases that are common in our area, how does it tolerate the temperatures that are here, how does it tolerate the browsing, the feed that is here, as opposed to what was available in China.
Kurigera omuhandikirwe n'ebishumisibweho n'embuzi zikura juba zikabasa kugaininga kilograms nka 2 buri izooba. So njumanyisa ngu omezi nka 8 mwenda 10 yazembuzi nizo zashikire zagainingire kilograms zukumara zukubasa kuza kujuguzo kagitwara mu kataro kiya mwesente.
Okurigera abahangu embuzi eri kumanyonka ya Jiangsu big eared goat nekura juba negumira endwara kandi nerya ebyokurya bya burijo.
If you are a businessman, you start from around you. What is the consumption of what you are producing? Basically, obviously, our market for animal products is very good. For meat, for the goat's meat, for beef, for chicken, we are good consumers of meat. But which meat is not even enough for the local market.
The different characteristics of these goats need to be clearly examined and adapted to the context, Uganda's context. That's, I think, the key to ensure that the results achieved can be sustained.
Bwanyuma y'okucondoza okubandizaho ezi nizija kwemesebwa nezo mu Uganda okugira ngo bakatunga ekika kirije kuhebwa abariisa okugira ngo omutindo gw'embuzi omu ihanga gweyongere.
Now, the reason these goats are here, this is a new breed in Uganda and they are here in a research station to observe as they multiply to get the pure lines, and then from their product, from their program, the breeding program, they will decide on when to start multiplying with our local goat.
Obwahati government eri omu kucondoza kwa muheru okureba ngu ekika ky'embuzi eki kyahika omu bariisa omu kwetoroora ihanga ryona gasha kwa era akiza.